Have you been in your house 20, 30, maybe even 40 years? That home holds a lifetime of memories and probably way too much furniture. Closets full of, I might need this someday, and drawers that haven't seen daylight since Clinton was in office. I might have had this sweatshirt since about 1989. Look, my grandma fixed all the letters for me and didn't like it, so she put all these stitchings straight across instead of fixing it the way it should be. And now you're staring at all of it, wondering, where do I even start? First, let's take a breath. You're not alone. This video is your step-by-step plan to downsize without the drama. No judgment, no pressure, just real talk from someone who's done it herself. Let's start here. Downsizing isn't just about boxes. It's emotional. You've lived through birthdays, holidays, hard days, and quiet mornings in that home. It's not four walls. It's your history. It can be very overwhelming, especially if you're doing this solo after a loss or a major life change. You're grieving, making big decisions, and trying not to trip over 1,000 memories at once. I've been there with family members and clients. It's hard, but you can do this, and you don't have to do it alone or all today.
Here's how to make it manageable. Start small. Not with the bedroom, it's too emotional. Try the linen closet or even the garage. These spots have less sentimental landmines, which helps you build momentum. Then use the 1-year rule. If you haven't worn it, used it, or need it in a year, it's time to let it go. Be kind, but be ruthless. This isn't about guilt, it's about making space for what's next. Make 3 piles: keep, a donate or toss, and a not sure yet. This one's your lifeline. It buys you some time. Recently, I helped my father-in-law do this, and we actually converted 2 spare bedrooms into our move with me to the condo, and the other one was donate. So we were able to put signs on the door. He could shut the door at night, so he wasn't having to look at those rooms that were being quote unquote staged with the items to move or get rid of. So it was helpful for him to be able to shut that off and still open it and see the progress that he's made. And don't forget, digitize what you can. Photos, awards, paperwork, get it scanned, saved, and off your shelves. If you're close to Ashland, check out Cartolina on Main, right downtown. They specialize in this. Also, ask for help. Whether it's a friend, a pro organizer, or a realtor who gets it, hi, that's me. This is not a one-woman job. Don't try to be a hero. I have a great company you can call that can also come in and help you pack. You can sit and tell them, this gets donated, this gets moved with me, and they'll help you with that whole process. Reach out and I'll pass along their contact information. Once you start clearing the clutter, you'll feel it, that shift, that space to breathe. Then you can start thinking about what's next. What kind of place fits who you are now? Maybe it's a single-story home with no stairs. Maybe it's a condo near your friends. Or maybe it's simply being closer to grandkids, good friends, or the grocery store that you actually like. Whatever it is, this isn't downsizing. It's rightsizing. You're not getting rid of your past. You're making room for your future. Whether you're moving forward or just thinking about it, I'm here for you. I help women in Ashland and the surrounding areas go from overwhelmed to ready with less stress and more confidence. I've also got a free guide that walks you through this whole process. There's a link down below to it. And if this video helped, send it to someone else who's staring down their own mountain of stuff. Let them know they're not alone. Thanks for watching. And remember, your next home might just be your best one yet.